Hi, welcome back to my channel Dharas Skincare. Today I'm going to share a product review. So by looking at this, you might have guessed that I'm going to review a product that is Lilium Herbal Gold Facial Kit. So the kit contains 4 items, that is Lilium Gold Scrub, Lilium Gold Massage Gel, Lilium Gold Pack, Lilium Massage Cream. So I had ordered this product 1 month back, but before giving review I thought I should try it and then give the product review. So that's the reason I took so much time. So during this period I have used it twice and I think it's more than enough for me to review this product. Okay. To begin with, first let's see this Lilium Herbal Gold Scrub, which is the first step of the facial. So it gives instant radiance, which contains gold dust, almond oil. The work it does, it removes oil, dirt, blackheads and gives instant radiance. So it comes in 200 ml. Okay, let's turn around. It comes with active vitamins B3 and C. So the key ingredients are gold dust, almond oil, olive oil, wheat germ and rose petals. I would like to tell you one thing, that is, it is natural product. There are no side effects. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. As I've already used it twice, I can guarantee you it is a herbal product and it doesn't give any side effects. So directions for use: apply a thick layer on skin, wash dry face and neck, avoid eye areas, let it dry completely and rinse with cool water. Follow with skin toner and then moisturize. Use twice in a week, helps to prevent acne, improves the skin texture. So even direction for use is given. And another speciality of this Lilium products are they are available in separate. So if you want to purchase only gold scrub, it is available. I have ordered it from Flipkart. So I had ordered the complete kit, but if you want individual also, you can order them. So let's open and see. So it comes, you can see this, right? It's crystal, it was completely filled. So I've already used it twice. So it has a reduced quantity. You can see some crystals. It comes with the crystals. My manufacturing date is 03/2021. 36 months from the date of manufacturing. So it will it will go on for 3 years. Lilium Gold Radiance Perfect Glow Facial Gel. Radiant complexion, skin rejuvenation. The MRP is 110. It was manufactured on 1/2021. Expiry date 12/23. So the benefits: Lilium Gold Gel, known for skin lightening properties. Saffron and mulberry are used as a natural fairness enhancing ingredient since ages. It's anti-aging gel which helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So even the directions for usage are given. The key ingredients are gold dust, mulberry, saffron, glycerin, honey and botanical extracts. This is gel massage. You can see there are crystals of gold here. It smells really nice. So next is gold massage cream. It has the same particles like with gold dust and olive oil for healthy glowing, supplements and smoothness. 200 ml pack. So the ingredients are gold dust, aloe vera extracts, almond oil, liquid paraffin, white petroleum, propyl parabe, color, perfume. It also contains cetyl alcohol. Here it's the same mentioned here that best before 36 months from the date of manufacturing. MRP is 115. So this is the massage cream. Here we go. It's Lilium Gold Pack, which is good for skin tightening. It contains gold dust, jojoba and almond oils. It removes dirt, oil, blackheads and gives instant radiance. So I'll open it. Gold face pack. So overall this product is very beneficial for your skin, as I have done it 2 times on my face. It gives a very nice radiant glow to your face. Do not forget to use the product on your neck as well, because it's very important that your neck and the face tone matches. Do give a try to this product. It's my personal review and it's a very good product. I had ordered this product from Flipkart for rupees 450 or something, I guess. You can buy it from online as well as offline. It's available very easily and it gives a very good results, and the results are long lasting, at least for 15 days. For best results, you can use it with bleach. Right after bleach, you need to use this herbal product. Now coming to the negatives, Gold Facial is very good. There will be no side effects, but still there are no possible side effects. But if your skin is sensitive towards this element, then there can be some redness and itching. Therefore, if you experience some redness or mild itching, discontinue using the Gold Facial and rather you can go for some other facials like Fruit, Silver, Pearl, etc. So it's a budget friendly pack as well. But one thing which I didn't like about this kit is there was no user manual. User by themselves has to recognize, like if you have already used some other gold packs, then you'll get to know the steps. But if someone is using it for the first time, they'll not have any idea of what are the steps to be followed. So I'll give a quick review how to use this. Wash your face with any face wash or regular soap which you're using. After that, pat dry and use the gold scrub. Use this gold scrub on your face as well as on the neck and massage it gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can wash or you can clean it from a towel. Second is massage it with your gel. Massage it at least 5 minutes. Then you can go for gold massage cream. This step is very important for any facial. So you can at least massage it for 15 minutes. And last comes the gold pack, which tightens your skin and gives a radiant glow to your look. So instead of going to the parlors and investing 1500 to 3000 rupees, as per my knowledge, gold facial is very costly. This facial you can do it at home, and the look, you will not believe that the glow will stay for 15 days and it's worth trying, guys. Give a try and let me know your results. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.